Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Turbo Hotspot 3 for Cricket Wireless. The Turbo Hotspot 3 is a new mobile hotspot device, so if you guys are looking to get a portable Wi-Fi device, the Turbo Hotspot 3 can be worth checking out here. It is now available in a blue Vader color, $69.99, your price there. So yeah, and it also comes with a 2-year warranty as well, so that's pretty cool. So on the front of the device is your screen itself. So you got like your screen for like tell you about your battery, your signal, your Wi-Fi connections, and all that good stuff. So pretty standard stuff there and basic and whatnot. The one of the sides have like air vents, and the charging port looks like Type C. And then there's the back of the device right there. So yeah. The Turbo Hotspot 3 has a 1.77 inch screen size. It doesn't have a camera. I doubt it. I doubt it has any of that. It has a 1.77 inch display. It says accessibility and convenience come together with the Turbo Hotspot 3. Keep your Wi-Fi enabled devices connected anywhere you go on the fast and secure Cricket network. View important information directly on the 1.77 inch color display. A long-lasting 3,000 mAh battery will provide over 15 hours of usage on a single charge. Setup and device interaction is designed for simplicity with the new 2-button navigation UI, backed by the Cricket worry-free warranty, 2 years, all smile. So that's a win. Features: it has a handy 1.77 inch color display. Get all the important device details such as network connection, battery level, Wi-Fi information, read messages, and more with this on-device screen. Easy device interaction. Simply scroll through menu items and select different items with the 2-button navigation UI. Long-lasting usage. One full charge can last an entire workday on the road while being connected to the being connected with the 3,000 mAh battery. Specs: it runs Linux 5.4, 256 megabytes of RAM, 256 megabytes of ROM. Dimensions on the hotspot devices: 2.82 inches. Height: 4.04 inches with a 0.79 inches depth. It has a 1.77 inch color display. It has a 0.8 aspect ratio. It's RGB screen resolution. It has Wi-Fi 8 at 0211 ABG and an AC mobile hotspot Type C charging. 3,000 mAh battery. Has a Qualcomm single core processor at 1.28 gigahertz there. So yeah. Sorry about that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Turbo Hotspot 3 is now here at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys are looking to get a portable mobile hotspot device, the Turbo Hotspot 3 can be worth checking out. It's available now for $78 and whatnot. So definitely worth checking out if you guys are looking to get a portable Wi-Fi device to take anywhere with you guys. So yeah, that comes with the 2-year warranty, which is a win. And yeah, definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested in the portable mobile hotspot device. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.